Hi there, students. Phrasal verbs with check. Let's go through them. To check here, meaning to make certain normally. So firstly, you could check things off a list. To check something off a list. So you've got a list of things to do, and I'm going to check them off, put a mark by them as I've done them. So I've got to do lots of things today. I've got to go to the supermarket. Yes. I've got to see my brother. I've got to go to the bank. I've got to go to the post office. I'm checking the things off one by one. Okay, so to check something off a list, to confirm effectively that you've done them and make certain you've done everything. Check it off. Separable phrasal verb. Okay, to check out. This one's got several meanings. Let's see. When you go to the supermarket, when you've got everything that you need to buy, you need to go to the checkout counter. Yeah. Here, to check out means to confirm and pay for goods or services when you leave a place. Yeah. I think particularly as a phrasal noun, the checkout counter. Yeah, noun collocation. Yeah, or maybe you're shopping in internet, and when you've got everything that you want, you go to the checkout page. Okay, let's see. You could also, at work, you check in and check out. Yeah, you register that you've arrived and you register that you've left. So as each person entered the place, I checked them in, and as each person left, I checked them out. So to record people that they're leaving, yeah, or to record that people are leaving or entering, yeah. Also, you could check an item out, to borrow from an official place, particularly from a library. So to check a book out of the library. Yeah, I'm sorry, this book is checked out at the moment. Somebody else checked it out. Yeah, so to record the withdrawal of a book from a library. To check something out, to inspect it, to investigate it. This film is really, really good. I strongly suggest you check it out. He gave me an interesting possible solution to my problem. So I checked it out in internet. Yeah. At the moment it's only a rumor, but I want to check out whether it's true or not. Okay, so to look at something closely, to investigate it. Yeah, look at that beautiful woman in a sari. Check her out. Yeah, look at her, inspect her closely. Yeah, so to check something out, to investigate, to look at closely. And then intransitively, something can check out, to prove to be true. So the police investigated his alibi and it checked out. It proved to be true. So notice, the police checked out his alibi, investigated it, and it checked out. It proved to be true. Yeah, it was the case. Okay, so if something checks out, it's actually what you need. Okay, to check up. Yeah, to make sure that something is okay, to verify by a brief examination. Yeah, so I went to the doctor for a checkup. Yeah, for him to have a quick look at me to make sure everything was okay. I'm going to leave you to do that job, and later I'll come up and check up on how you're doing. Notice, to check up on something, to check up intransitive. To check up on something, inseparable. Okay, and well, it's actually probably transitive as well, intransitive as well. Okay, so to check up on something, to examine and make sure it's okay. I'll just check up on the kids. I'll check up on my mum and make sure she's okay. I'll check up on how things are going. Okay, to check in, to register at a hotel or to register at work. Like I said, I checked into the hotel, I checked out of the hotel. Yeah, you check in at the airport. Yeah, if you miss your check-in, then you're gonna miss your flight. So notice, to check in, intransitive, I checked in. I checked in at gate number 64. To check on something, to look at something and make sure that everything is okay. So the example, I'll check up, I'll let you work on that, and I'll check up on you later. Yeah, I'll check on you later, same meaning. I just need to check on the kids. Yeah, 1 second, I need to check on the food I've got in the kitchen. I don't want it to burn. Okay, so to check on something, to make sure everything is okay. So check. Check, a regular verb. So let's see, to check off. I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this, I've done this. Check things off a list. I need to go to the checkout counter and pay and check out these things I've bought. I need to check this book out of the library. I checked into work and I checked out of work. Yeah, to effectively like log in, to check out. Check out that beautiful woman in the sari. Have a look. Check out the rumour. It proved true. It checked out. What he said checked out to be true. To check up. Yeah, to make sure everything's okay. Let me check up on the kids. I went to the doctor for a checkup. I checked on the kids. Again, same idea. To check in. I checked in at the airport. I checked in at the hotel. I guess you could have a phrasal verb to check by. To visit. To make sure everything's okay as well, but probably less common. So there you go, phrasal verbs on check. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. You could check out my other videos, yeah?